If you love strawberries and cream, you are about to be obsessed. Today we are making 4 ingredient strawberry fudge. It is thick, it is chewy, and oh man, look at that colour. Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Small Cookies. My name is Lauren. And my name is Paige. Let's jump straight to the ingredients. For this recipe you're going to need 350 grams of that lush white chocolate, 1 cup of strawberry flavoured jelly crystals, 1 can of condensed milk, and any topping of your choice. Today we have gone with strawberry jelly hearts.
Ooh la la.
To begin with, put your white chocolate in the bottom of the pan, like so. Pour the condensed milk over the top. Now you want to melt this together on a low setting. We have gone with 60 degrees, which is whatever lowest you can get it on. We don't want that condensed milk to burn.
We always tend to go for the white chocolate first, then the condensed milk over the top, because the condensed milk is prone to burn it very, very quickly.
Ooh. Will it come closer?
It should have consistency like this.
All that melted chocolate mixed together with that condensed milk.
Throw in your jelly crystals and give that a good stir. This part itself is very satisfying. This is where the magic is going to happen.
This stage, once it is all mixed together, it is optional, and I think we're going to do this one because I want it more pink. I'm going to add a little bit of pink food colouring to this. It'll give it a nice dark pink colour. Perfect for Valentine's. Your mixture is all combined and complete. We are going to pour it into this cake tin.
Ooh. Oh, the smell is just divine.
Or I'm just a big hint of strawberry.
Absolutely insane smell.
Real. Right, then you've got to give that a nice little spread round.
You can always do a marble effect as well if you wanted to add a couple of colours of food colouring in there. Or if you wanted to leave the white from the fudge that you made originally, you could use a toothpick and drag the colour through to get a marble
That would look
feel.
pretty nice.
I think that's, we should have done that.
Aye.
Okie dokie. We've put that in the tray. Now for the best part, eat them before you put them on. Get your love hearts, divide them into how many fudge pieces you want.
Hey.
Or you could just lob the whole thing on. That's what I would do. I wouldn't be sharing the fudge with anyone.
I'm not sharing either. Ooh. You know, if there's any left over, you can always eat them. Ooh, lovely jubbly. Once the hearts are on top of your delicious fudge, pop this in the fridge for around 2 hours or until it is set before you then cut it through.
And after this, you will see the final result. Ta-da! Our lovely Valentine's fudge that you can share with others or eat on your own. We're going to give these a taste test.
I've got to have it now. Ready? Ching. These are so fudge and good.
So sweet. Sweet like me.
And sweet like me.
Lovely.
And that's it for Taste Smart Cookies. Please give us a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed this recipe, if you'd give it a try, and what you would like to see next.
And let us know if you're sharing, who you're sharing it with. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next one.
Bye.
Bye.